Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today I will go ahead and do makeover to my guest room. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. تخبركم حواتي قاعدة حنمزحهم لو ما عندك خاني ناي كشارو ديكوريت كنقبرينا كتفتوا هذا فيديو حتى تسفى قبر أزمة جيزة خريقكم هي يغني لي. The first thing I do is I got some towels and some Colgates, brushes, anything the guest needs, and then I roll the towels properly and then I place them inside a basket. مجمرة زي دليلهم نتو ما جاش مالتيو زوجنا جاشات متني نزي شو كمانه لا تقللكو أباسكيت كيريو حد شو كمانه مالتيو سبريت تعملوا حجة جزئيو مسوقة براشات زي كولجيت كله كله زاد اللي خاني أو كيريو مالتيو. And we also need a washcloth. It's a must. ميسخاني إذا ما حتى بنفسي شو كمان تتناقش مالتيو وسخاني أو أفتح باسكت كيريا مالتيو تحر مليسة زي ناي شاور كعني كرتين حدش جزئي مالتيو. I also got a shower curtain, a new one. Okay guys, first we are going to clean the bathroom and we are going to change the shower curtain. The guest deserves a new one, so I will go ahead and change. I will go ahead and use the barkeeper's friend to clean the shower. So خبركن حواتي مجمرة زناي shower كيرا يوم علتيو حدش جزئي نقاشاس لزغنة barkeeper's friend وجاري هتريو shower مهنيات كنيم حد إذا تريو. I got new pillows for the guests. حدش كأني مترأس جزء مالتيو فوس كبلهم أنت كايش. I also brought a crib in here because my sisters have kids, so they need cribs. The crib ناي قلع خاني زعرت نابزم تأيو مغنياتو يحواتي كلن قلعت سلدلون كتقاملون أنتي.
Too young, and I didn't understand that you were no one, and I can't wait to see you Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were no one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were no one, and I can't wait to see you
Okay guys, I placed the basket in here. This is 2 big towels, and this is a washcloth, and this is in case they need brushes, Colgate, and my sisters have kids, so kids Colgate. This is just for emergency. I will add some more of stuffs for this. It's good for now. Okay, بعدين اتي باسكيت ابتدق عرات جريو مالتي وزدلي ووستو منتي. You guys, I am obsessed with the $3 plates. I got some more. after dollar three خا زي بياتنا بحق فتين مليسة خا بزح وسيخ. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. يعني اللي حواتي فتيخن أوتكونا تسفا قبر أبز ما تجيزه كريكني أجايش كتكونا تدلي خنكا. You guys welcome. I love you all so much.